have it. Olive. 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 Bring me the turtle. Bring me the turtle.
What high school musical 1 and 2? What high school musical 1 and 2? It's only the most popular thing with kids in our age group. Yeah.
Puppy! Oh.
I saw High School Musical 3 again on Friday, and guess who was there? Bryce Guillermo. Bryce Guillermo always kept his dreams. I did anything to do with Bryce Guillermo, but he'd never go for me. I'm nobody. That's not true, right? Everyone has something that makes them unique. Everyone is special in their own way. Move to the beat and let your spirit out. As long as you got each other, you'll never have any trouble.
Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Oh no, puppy kisses. Where is it? Bye, puppy. You go outside? You want to go outside? Dark. It's dark outside. Ah!